Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Glogster. The first thing you may be wondering is what is Glogster? Well, Glogster is a cloud-based platform for presentation and interactive learning. Glogster is a multimedia interactive poster that expresses ideas with ease by combining images, graphics, audio, video, and text on one digital canvas. You may be wondering, what do you need to get started with Glogster? The first thing you will need to do is go to the Glogster website listed here. You will need to create an account. Next, you will need to verify your account through your email, and then you can begin creating. Once you have created your Glogster account, you will see this page that looks like this. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. You will see the Glogster image, you will see a dashboard, a Glogopedia, and also you will see, if you've been on Glogster before, posters that you've created. Now that you've signed up for your account and you're in and you had a chance to look around in Glogster, it's time to explore how to create a poster on Glogster. You can create a new glog as well, and you can go to your Glogopedia and click on that. And as you can see, there are different categories that you can go to choose your poster from topics like social studies, where you can see American history, or ancient history. You can go to science, where you can work on other animals or astronomy. Math, you can do algebra 1, calculus, or decimals. Those are just a few examples. There's also an example that shows you in languages. You can choose different languages like Chinese, English, and French. Or you can go to the featured posters and you can work on the topics like the American alligator under science. Or you can go under world history and work under the social studies. So once you've decided on what you want to choose, you can start choosing your poster to work on in your Glogster account. Now that you've found the Glogster poster that you want to work on, it's time to add your own personal touches to your poster. For my poster, I chose to do a poster on mammals. So let's take a look on some tools that could help personalize this poster. I'm going to click on the plus sign and we'll start on text. On here, you can add different text and you have different categories that you can go on and choose. I am going to just add a call out on here and I'm going to press use it. I'm going to close this, going to scroll down, and I am going to move this and I'm going to resize it so it can fit in the space that I want it to fit in as well. As you can see, there are different arrows for you to turn it different ways. You can move it in some or you can move it out, whatever you choose to do. I could also take it and place it over existing text on here as well. Okay, let's go back up and see what else is in here. Okay, I'm going to go back to this, and next I'm going to go to graphics as well. You can add different graphics into your picture as well. So we will see what graphics they have, and that's in anatomy. So just for this, I am going to choose this image, click on use it. I'm going to exit off that, and I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and I'm going to find my image, and I'm going to place it here. Remember, you can always resize it if you like to make it fit in the space that you want it to fit in. So that's how you would add an image as well. So next we're going to go back over here and we're going to go to images. I don't have any images loaded, but you can also search images as well. So I could click here and I could type mammals and then I could enter. And If you're not a premium customer, sometimes you won't be able to access that, but that's fine. You can always upload images. Next, I'm going to go to wall. I can use my images, the gallery as well. I can use colors and I can change the colors as well. I'm going to change that and use it. As you can see, it changed the color. I can search images again. Okay. The next thing we're going to go to is audio. I don't have any audio uploaded, but you can record audio as well. And the next one is videos. And as you can see, I have two videos. So what I'm going to do is click on this one. I can add a frame if I like, or I can leave it blank. So I'm going to choose to add a frame, and then I'm going to use it. And then I'm going to close this. And as you can see, this is my video and it's really big. So I am going to move it over here and I am going to resize it. I'm going to resize my image down. I'm going to move it up. You can move it up different ways, any way you like for it to appear on your poster. Okay, so I'm going to start there. And as you can see, that's how simple it is to add. Next, I'm going to go to my data. I don't have any data. And that is just uploading information to your poster as well, or to your Glogster account. You can also add pictures. You can use your camera. You can record audio, or you can also use video as well. And on here, you can add web links or images that you want to use, and you can add it to your files as well. You can also add attachments as well, and that was my one attachment that I added. Okay, then if you're satisfied with the way that your poster is looking, you can choose to preview. So I'm going to preview it. It's in preview mode. Okay, and then I'm going to save it as well. So it is saved, and you will see my name, mammals. It's under science and it's animals. And it's under grade 1. So I'm going to choose to save it public, and I'm going to save it. And it's saved. You can choose to go back to edit. You can go to your dashboard, or you can preview it as well. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial over how to use Glogster and get started on enjoying the benefits of using Glogster.